Hi, I'm Jane. I'm the Manager of Advanced Aesthetics located here in Kingdom Road, Hyde Park in Adelaide. I have a visitor with us today. It's Dr Paul Goodyear. Hello, Paul.
Hello, hi Jane.
Paul's visiting us from Melbourne actually, and he's a cosmetic physician. And there's a brand new treatment out, Paul, and it helps you double chin. So what is this all about?
It's quite an exciting treatment. It's called Belkyra, and basically it's a treatment for a stubborn area of fat that you basically can't get rid of with whatever diet, exercise, and it involves injecting a drug. It's called deoxycholic acid. That deoxycholic acid is a naturally occurring acid within the body.
Right.
It's normally produced in the liver.
Okay.
And helps you break down fat that you ingest.
So very safe then.
Yeah. There's quite a lot of research and studies about this new treatment.
Okay.
It's basically a 20-minute treatment that involves some injections under the chin.
Okay.
Usually requires at least 2 treatments.
Right, to get the results that a person's after.
Yeah.
And what patients would be suitable for this type of treatment? Because everybody is not suitable for every treatment out there. So there's we use a scale to look at the area of fat that we're looking at. The fat that persists is usually, it's called pre-platysmal fat. So you have a muscle in the neck called the platysma, and the fat sits on top of that. Right.
And usually we classify patients as sort of mild to severe, and it's usually the moderate to severe patients who are suitable.
Right.
And they have this persistent fat that bothers them, and the only really effective alternative treatment is liposuction.
Right. So this sounds less invasive.
It is, yeah, much less invasive.
And probably less cost, I would imagine.
There is probably a significant saving in terms of the cost, and also the downtime that's required.
Oh, that's important. A lot of people don't like downtime these days.
No,
they like to get in, have a treatment, and hopefully get results, but not much downtime. So
I mean, we can come on to that. There are some side effects and a little bit of downtime afterwards, but compared to a general anaesthetic and liposuction, it's probably a less time-consuming treatment. And
what side effects, if any?
Okay, so the main side effects are that you will get some swelling afterwards.
Okay.
And we apply a grid area to the fat under the chin and inject normally up to between 20 and 30 times in that area. And the chemical or the drug that we use will cause the fat to dissolve, and that creates an inflammatory reaction.
Right.
Now the inflammatory reaction is good. It's what we want to see.
Right.
The worse it is, the better results that you're likely to get.
Is that painful?
It is sore.
Okay.
I'm not going to lie to you.
Don't do that.
It will be sore, but manageable with simple painkillers like Panadol or Nurofen.
Yep.
And usually it will swell up to about 2 or 3 days afterwards and look worse
before it gets better.
Before it starts to get better.
Yep.
And usually by the second treatment, most of the fat is dissolved.
Okay.
And so the inflammation and the period that you might need to take off work would be less. I certainly wouldn't recommend going to a wedding 2 days after.
No, of course not.
Having the treatment, but I mean it's it does cause some swelling, and some people can find it a bit alarming.
Can you use cold presses or something like that, cold ice or something like that to keep the swelling down?
So the sorts of things you can do are cold compresses, and then we'll give you a compression bandage, which you can wear for a few days.
Oh, lovely.
And then at night afterwards.
Fabulous. So how long will the treatment last?
The treatment is permanent.
Wow.
So it's a one-off. After 2, or some patients need 2 or 3, men sometimes 4 or 5 treatments. It's a permanent treatment. The fat's dissolved, so even if you put on weight afterwards,
it won't go on.
It shouldn't appear on your chin.
That's really good news, Paul, to go through that pain and suffering and end up with a permanent solution. So that's fabulous. Well, thanks for your time today. For any more information, please give us a call on 8272 6000. Bye for now.